Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. So today we are going ahead with a current affairs question and answer session from 1st to 10th May. So what we are planning is, so every day we will be taking daily current affairs. So after 10 days we will be taking only question and answer session for that first 10 days. Even from May 11th to May 20th we will take question and answer session on May 21st. Same like that, May 21st to 31st we will take a question and answer session on June 1st. So hope it will be very much useful for you. Almost 158 160 questions are there. So within 1 hour I will try to finish it off. I do request and I do suggest you to go through all the daily current affairs whichever we have updated so far, that is from May 1st to 9th. Those who are following regularly, definitely 80% of question and answers they can easily solve. So shall we move forward? நான் என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா, கண்டிப்பாக ஒன்றுலேருந்து 9 வரலும் நம்மலாம் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கோமோ கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் இது வரலும் ரெகுலராக யாரெல்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாங்களோ 1ஆம் தேதியிலேருந்து 9ஆம் தேதி வரலும் நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கிற கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸு இன்னைக்கு 1லேருந்து 10 வரலும் இருக்கிற கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் செஷன் ஈஸியாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணிடலாம். சரிங்களா? ஸோ இதில் நான் அப்ரிவேஷன்ஸு திருப்பி எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் எதுவுமே நான் சொல்ல வரல. ஆன்சர் நான் படிச்சுட்டே போகிறேன். கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸு கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி 10 நாளுக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி நம்ம கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் సెషన్ వెచ్చిగిట్టి కన్సాలిడేట్ பண்ணிட்டு పోయితే இருக்கலாம். సో ఇది ரொம்ப యూస్ఫుల్గా இருக்கும்னு నిனைக்கிறேன். మా పిల్లలు మీకు అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఏం చేస్తామనంటే డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ మనము చూసుకుంటూ వస్తాము. తర్వాత 10 రోజులకు ఒకసారి కన్సాలిడేట్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ సెషన్ నేను చెప్తూ వస్తాను. సో చాలా యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా. కానీ ఫస్ట్ 10 రోజులది మీరు మిస్ చేయకుండా ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూస్తేనే మీకు బాగా అవగాహన వస్తుంది. అంతేగాని ఉట్టి క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ చూస్తే చాలు అని అనుకోవద్దండి. సరేనా? సో వెళ్ళిపోదామా డైరెక్ట్గా? షల్ వి మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్, బట్ డూ గో త్రూ రెగ్యులర్లీ, then only this question and answer session will be useful for you. So today's first one, the International Jazz Day is celebrated every year on which date to enhance cooperation and dialogue among people and create awareness about the virtues of jazz. So that is April 30th. Freedom fighter Hema Barali, who passed away recently, belonging to which state? Assam. What is the theme of the International Labour Day or May Day observed every year on 1st May? What is the theme? Coronavirus. Hope you remember, right? Who has been conferred with the Order of Rising Sun by the Japanese government for promoting strong Indo-Japan ties? That is Dr. Tangjam Dabali Singh. So about Japan, capital is Tokyo, currency Japanese yen, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Name the Alabama teen who has named NASA's pioneering Mars helicopter Ingenuity, which will be the first aircraft to fly to the planet. Vaniza Rupani. So NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, headquarters Washington DC, United States. Administrator Jim Bridenstine. Who among the following has written the book The Room Where It Happened, a White House memoir? John Bolton. Which state has topped in the list of states providing employment to unskilled laborers under MGNREGA? I have explained clearly. Please do go through our daily current affairs. So that is Chhattisgarh. 8th, who has launched the Bank of Schemes Ideas Innovation and Research Portal on MSMEs to provide access to all schemes of union states and union territories and upload ideas and researchers in the sector? Nitin Gadkari. MSME Ministry, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Constituency Nagpur, Maharashtra. Pratap Chandra Sarangi, Minister of State, who has been appointed as the new head coach of FC Goa Football Club. That is Juan Ferrando, who has taken charge as the Director General of International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. ICRISAT, ICRISAT. Measures Jacqueline Hughes. Which fintech firm has launched the lockdown loan scheme for MSMEs to tide over the Corona-19 crisis? That is Happy. Remember? Happy. Which institute has developed a microwave sterilizer named Atulya to distinguish COVID-19 using a differential healing the range of 56 to 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune. So Defense Institute of Advanced Technology is the premier deemed university under the Department of Defense Research and Development, Ministry of Defense, Government of India, founded on 1952. Chancellor Rajnath Singh, Vice Chancellor Dr. C.P. Ramanarayanan. Which former banker has been named as an advisor to the digital payments app Google Pay? Who is Shima? Mrs. Shika Sharma. So during the ongoing lockdown, Google launched its nearby spot. Hope you remember, right? To help users in Bangalore to find a local store selling essentials like groceries that are open amid the lockdown. The Delhi Police Commissioner has launched which initiative to maintain the health of frontline COVID warriors by ensuring immunity boosting measures are in place. That is Ayu Raksha. Ayu Raksha. So Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. The Chief Minister of which state launched a portal to gather public feedback and suggestions on government schemes and general administration. That is Sikkim. Sikkim capital Gangtok, Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang. Governor Ganga Prasad. Chunni Goswami, who passed away at the age of 82 recently, was a famous footballer. Who has been named as India's new ambassador to Brazil? Suresh K. Reddy. Hope you remember, right? Brazil capital Brasilia. Currency Brazilian real. President Jair Bolsonaro. Which country has decided to support ADB developing member countries' response to COVID-19 challenges by providing $150 million through its fund for poverty reduction? That is none other than Japan. So Asian Development Bank headquarters, Mandaluyong, Philippines. President Masatsugu Asakawa, who has become the first Indian to get nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award from Asia Oceania Zone. Sania Mirza. Which state government to release 905 crores in dues to MSMEs waive power charges for April and May? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Governor Bishwabhushan Harichandran. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy. Capital Amaravati. Who has been appointed as President, MD and CEO of HMSI? Atsushi Ogata. Hope you remember, ma. So about Honda. Headquarters Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Chairman Toshiaki Mikoshiba. Which team has won the League One champions as a season ended amid corona crisis? That is Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain. Chak Hao from Manipur has recently received a GI tag. So many got. Hope you remember. It is a variety of rice ma. So which has been used in Manipur over centuries. So GI tag, a geographical indication, is a name or sign used on products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. So in India, GI registration is administered by the Geographical Indications of Goods Act 1999, which came into force with effect from September 2003. Anti-apartheid activist Dennis Goldberg, who passed away recently, belonged to which country? South Africa. South Africa capitals Pretoria, Executive, Bloemfontein, Judicial, Cape Town, Legislative. Currency South African Rand. President Cyril Ramaphosa. The government of which state has launched an agri-entrepreneur facilitation desk to boost primary sectors of the economy after lifting the nationwide lockdown? That is Tripura. So Tripura capital Agartala. Chief Minister Biplav Kumar Dev. Governor Ramesh Bayas. The National Board for Wildlife has permitted coal mining in the forest area of which natural reserve? Hope you remember. Dehing Patka Elephant Reserve, Assam. Assam capital Dispur. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Governor Jagdish Mukhi. The CSIR has launched which app to connect farmers to the supply chain and freight transportation management system? It is nothing but Kisan Sabha app. Kisan Sabha app. So Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, established on 26th September 1942. President, Prime Minister of India. Director General, Shekhar C. Mande. Headquarters, New Delhi. The Department of Science and Technology has launched which program to address health risks related to COVID-19? That is ASH, YASH. National Council for Science and Technology Communications, NCSTC, Department of Science and Technology, DST, has launched a program on health and risk communication, Year of Awareness on Science and Health, ASH. Year of Awareness on Science and Health, ASH, with a focus on COVID-19. Who among the following has written the book Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of Proud People? That is Girish Kuber. R.V. Smith, who passed away recently, was a famous author. Who among the following has been chosen for the Nikki Asia Prizes 2020 for clean water technology? You hope you remember T. Pradeep. Who among the following players has bagged the New Zealand Cricketer of the Year award? Rose Taylor. So New Zealand capital Wellington, currency New Zealand dollar, Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. The government has raised the minimum support price MSP for minor forest produce MFP of 49 items in view of circumstances arising out of COVID-19. The prices are revised every 3 years by the pricing cell of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. So Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Cabinet Minister Arjun Munda, Constituency Khunti, Minister of State Renuka Singh Saruta. Which TV serial has set the world record for becoming the most viewed entertainment program globally? None other than Ramayan. Who has assumed charge as the Secretary of Women and Child Development Ministry? Ajay Tirke. So Ministry of Women and Child Development, Cabinet Minister Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Constituency Amedi, Minister of State Devashree Chowdhury. Which state has become the first one in the country to provide free and cashless insurance premium to people of the state? Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital Mumbai, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Which association has launched a national e-commerce marketplace, Bharat Market, to help retail traders provide services to customers? That is CAIT. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Headquarters New Delhi, Cabinet Minister Piyush Goyal, Minister of State Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of State Som Prakash. Which country has taken over from India in the ICC Test rankings for first time since October 2016? First time since October 2016, Australia. So ICC Headquarters Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Chairperson Shashank Manohar, CEO Manu Sahni. Which product from Kashmir has recently been given the geographical identification by the GI registry? That is saffron. Hope you remember. Jammu and Kashmir capitals Jammu winter, Srinagar summer. Lieutenant Governor GC Marmu. How many Indians have been selected for the prestigious membership of the American Academy of Arts and Science for 2020? 3 members. So 2 of them are in the sciences, Biman Bakshi, Shobana Narasimhan, and another one Kavita Singh from the School of Arts and Aesthetics at the Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, has been selected for the Humanities and Arts stream. The World Tuna Day is observed annually on which day to raise awareness about the importance of tuna fish, right? That is May 2nd. What is the theme of the World Press Freedom Day, observed annually on May 3? So journalism without fear or favor, observed on May 3. World Laughter Day is observed on the first Sunday of May every year. The day was first celebrated in which year? Means 1998. The Coal Miners Day is observed annually on which date to honor the sacrifice of coal miners? That is on May 4th. A recent campaign, Ideathon, has been launched by the central government. The campaign focuses on which of the following areas? It is nothing but on river management. So Ministry of Jal Shakti, Union Cabinet Minister of Jal Shakti, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, constituency Jodhpur, Rajasthan. PM Narendra Modi is all set to participate in non-aligned movement NAM virtual summit on coronavirus. It is being organized at the initiative of which of the following countries? Azerbaijan. So Azerbaijan capitals Baku, currency Azerbaijani Manat. Prime Minister Ali Asadov. President Ilham Aliyev, who has been appointed as the Chief Risk Officer of S Bank. Neeraj Dhawan. Headquarters S Bank Mumbai. CEO Prashant Kumar. Tagline: experience our expertise. The International Firefighters Day is observed on which date, ma'am? 4th May, to remember the firefighters who have died while serving the community. Who has been appointed as the Director Operations of NTPC? Ramesh Babu. So NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, New Delhi. Chairman and Managing Director Sri Gurdeep Singh. The International Dawn Chorus Day is being celebrated on which date in 2020? Nothing but on May 3rd, to encourage people to listen to the sound of birds. Study of birds is called ornithology, right? 51. The 13th webinar of the Ministry of Tourism focused on which destination in the Dekho Apna Desh series? That is Sariska Tiger Reserve. So Rajasthan capital Jaipur. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Governor Kalraj Mishra. Who has released an e-book on Professor B.B. Lal India Rediscovered, who is known for his immense contribution to the field of archaeology. Who is that, ma'am? Prahalad Patel. The International Spring Astronomy Day is celebrated on and again on to create awareness among people about the beautiful universe. Ma, hope you remember. So every year it is celebrated twice. So that is May 2nd and September 26th. Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi, who passed away due to breathing problems, was a member of which government institution? Lokpal of India. The CSIR has launched which app to help farmers connect to the supply chain and resolve agriculture related issues? Kisan Sabha. CSIR, headquarters New Delhi. Director General Shekhar C. Mande. RBI has cancelled the license of which cooperative bank as a result of the bank's weak financial position? CKP Cooperative Bank. Hope you remember. RBI headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Formation day. 1st April 1935. Governor Shaktikanta Das. Deputy governors, 3 members are there. Bibu Prasad Kanungo, Mahesh Kumar Jain, Michael Debabrata Patra. The government of which state has made the Arogya Setu app a must for those in hotspot areas? None other than Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Governor Anandiben Patel. Peter Ebdon, who retired recently after having a spinal surgery, was related with sport? Snooker. Which country has banned the use of saliva used to shine the cricket ball via release of guidelines of gradual return of professional and recreational sport? None other than Australia. Australia capital Canberra. Currency Australian dollar. Prime Minister Scott Morrison. The Union Health Minister Dr. Harshavardhan has launched which multimedia guide to educate and strengthen public understanding of science and health? COVID Katha. Hope you remember, right? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So Ministry of Science and Technology. Ministry of Earth and Science. Who is that, ma? Dr. Harshavardhan. Constituency Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Which bank has released a song amidst the ongoing national lockdown to keep hopes up amidst COVID-19 pandemic? HDFC Bank. HDFC headquarters Mumbai. CEO Aditya Puri. Tagline: we understand your world. We understand your world. The Commonwealth Youth Games 2021 have been rescheduled to which year due to the clash of dates with the Tokyo Olympics in the year 2023. So host city Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago. The Badminton World Federation BWF World Championships 2021, which has been postponed to November December, will be held in which of the following stadiums? Carolina Marin Stadium, Spain. Carolina Marin Stadium, Spain. So Badminton World Federation, headquarters Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, founded on 5th July 1934. President Paul Erik Hoyer Larsen. Which country is all said to be the first one to launch a satellite for monitoring Arctic climate this year? None other than Russia. Russia capital Moscow, currency Russian ruble, President Vladimir Putin. What is the theme of World Asthma Day observed every year on the 5th May? What is that ma? Enough asthma death. The government of which state has decided to launch the Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana, gathering at least 120 days of employment to people living in the urban areas? Himachal Pradesh, hope you remember. So Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Chief Minister capital, Himachal Pradesh capital Shimla, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, Governor Bandaru Dattatreya. Chandigarh has launched which mobile app for COVID-19 to provide access to all information related to COVID-19? CHD COVID. About Chandigarh, Lieutenant Governor and Administrator Shri VP Singh Badnor. Which company has launched 2 voice-based apps to curb the needs to touch handsets for checking transactions amidst the COVID-19 outbreak? So that none other than BharatPe. BharatPe headquarters New Delhi, CEO and co-founder Ashneer Grover. The Arogya Setu app launched by the government has introduced which portal for telemedicine services and consultation to people? That is Arogya Setu Mitir portal. The Saras collection launched on the government e-marketplace GEM portal showcases which of the following products? Daily utility products made by self-help groups. Ministry of Rural Development, Cabinet Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, Constituency Morena, Madhya Pradesh, Minister of State Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. Which educational institution has partnered with the Hong Kong financial capital firm to create a global network as well as a venture ecosystem? None other than IIT Hyderabad. Which company has collaborated with the actors from Bollywood to put together a fundraiser concert? I for India. Facebook. What is the India's ranking among countries in the publication of scientific journals? Third ma. It is third. Name the discus thrower who has been slapped with a 4-year ban by WADA for flunking a doping test. Huishima Sandeep Kumari. WADA headquarters Montreal, Canada. President Witold Banka. President Witold Banka. Poet and writer Nisar Ahmad, who passed away recently, belonging to which state? Karnataka. Karnataka capital Bangalore. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. Governor Vajubhai Vala. Which institution has developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower for rapid and chemical free disinfection of high prone areas? That is none other than DRDO. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairman Dr. G. Satish Reddy. DBS Bank has slashed India's financial year 21 GDP forecast to 1% from its earlier 1.5% projection. Hope you remember. DBS Bank headquarters Singapore. CEO Piyush Gupta, who has been nominated by President Trump as a representative to the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Ashok Michael Pinto. The government of which state has launched an exit app for stranded people of other states who want to return to their native place? Which state ma? West Bengal. Hope you remember, right? West Bengal capital Kolkata. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. ICMR has decided to leverage which virtual agent to enable rapid response to COVID-19 testing facilities and bolster rapid response to India's frontline testing facilities? That is Watson. ICMR headquarters New Delhi, founded in 1911. Secretary and Director General Dr. Balram Bhargava, who has been appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer of Flipkart and Myntra. Who is that ma? Sriram Venkataraman. Flipkart headquarters Bengaluru. founded in October 2007, CEO Kalyan Krishnamurthy, who has been appointed as the new Economic Relations Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs. Rahul Chabra, Ministry of External Affairs, Minister Subramanyam Jaishankar, R.S. Jaishankar, Constituency, Gujarat, Rajya Sabha, Ministry of State V. Muralidharan. Which American private equity firm has decided to buy a stake in Geo Platforms? Silver Lake Partners, Headquarters, California, United States, Co-CEO and Managing Director, Egan Durban. Sports governing body FINA, FINA has postponed the 2021 Fukuoka World Championships to May 2022 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. FINA headquarters, Lausanne, Switzerland, founded on July 29, 1908. President Julio C. Meglione. How many photojournalists from India have won Pulitzer 2020? How many are there? 3 members from Jammu and Kashmir. Hope you remember. Yusuf Hosam, who has been banned for life for match fixing after his brother was also excluded on corruption charges. He is related to which sport? Tennis. Egypt capital Cairo, currency Egyptian pound, President Abdel Fattah LCC. What is the theme of the International Midwives Day observed annually on 5th May every year? So midwives with women celebrate, demonstrate, mobilize, unite. Our time is now. Hope you remember. The government of which state has launched 3 schemes, Birsa Harit Gram Yojana, Neelambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana and Poto Ho Kel Vikas scheme to boost rural employment in a bid to revive the economy after lockdown. None other than Jharkhand capital Ranchi, Chief Minister Hemant Soren, Governor Draupadi Murmu, who is the head of the IRDAI panel on drafting a standard professional indemnity policy for insurance intermediaries. Yagnapriya Bharat, about IRDAI, headquarters Hyderabad, Telangana, Chairman Subhash Chandra Khuntia. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has constituted a how many member panel? 7-member panel to enhance audit independence and improve accountability. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Constituency Karnataka, Ministry of State Anurag Singh Thakur. The Uttar Pradesh government has launched a which app to help people get health remedies and tell users on how to use kitchen ingredients to improve the body immunity. That is none other than Ayush Kavach COVID. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandiben Patel, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Max Bupa Health Insurance. None other than Krishnan Ramachandran. Max Bupa Health Insurance headquarters New Delhi, India. Which Indian American attorney has been nominated by US President Donald Trump as a US Federal Court Judge? Sarita Komatireddy, who has been awarded a commemorative war medal marking the 75th anniversary of the victory over Nazi Germany by Vladimir Putin. None other than Kim Jong-un. So Russia capital Moscow, currency Russian ruble, President Vladimir Putin. North Korea capital Pyongyang, currency North Korean won. The Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, has tied up with which company to take up research activities related to COVID-19? None other than iStem Research Private Limited. So Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, headquarters Hyderabad, Director Rakesh Mishra. The Indian Navy has launched which operation to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas? Samudra Setu. Samudra Setu is the right answer. Same meaning only. Sea Bridge and Samudra Setu. Indian Navy Commander-in-Chief President Ramnath Kovind, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh, Vice Chief of the Naval Staff Vice Admiral G. Ashok Kumar. Name the portal launched by DGCA to provide fast-track approval to COVID-19 related drone operations. Garud. About Directorate General of Civil Aviation, headquarters New Delhi. Parent organization Ministry of Civil Aviation. Minister responsible Suresh Prabhu. Director General Arun Kumar. The government of which state is planning to launch a new program, NIGA, Niga, which one ma? Himachal Pradesh, in order to educate the people in the state about social distancing and quarantine measures. Himachal Pradesh capital Shimla, summer. Dharmashala, winter. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. Governor Bandaru Dattatreya. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Constituent Lab, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology have signed an MOU with which company for licensing know-how related to rapid and accurate diagnosis of COVID-19. None other than Tata Sons. Hope you remember. Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, headquarters New Delhi, established on 26 September 1942. President Prime Minister of India, Director General Shekhar C. Mande. Who among the following has been nominated by the government on the board of the Reserve Bank of India? So Tarun Bajaj, Reserve Bank of India, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Formation day 1st April 1935. Governor Shaktikanta Das. Which of the following small finance banks has launched a new working capital product to help customers meet the urgent liquidity requirements during the lockdown? Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. Headquarters Navi Mumbai. MD and CEO Mr. Bhaskar Babu Ramachandran. Tagline: a bank of smiles. NABARD has disbursed how many crores ma? We discussed recently 12,767 crores to state cooperative banks and regional rural banks across the country to augment their resources for extending credit to the farmers. So NABARD, headquarters Mumbai, founded on 12th July 1982, chairperson Harsha Kumar Banwala. The Chief Minister of which state has launched an app to monitor the agriculture needs of farmers? It is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital Amaravati. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Governor Biswa Bhushan Harichandran. Who among the following has been honored with the 40 most influential Asian under 40 recognition? Srenik Godawat. PNB Housing Finance has signed an MOU with which education institution to support R&D activities related to COVID-19? IIT Delhi. PNB Housing Finance headquarters New Delhi, India. Managing Director Neeraj Vyas. What is the theme of the World Hand Hygiene Day, observed annually on 5th May? Save lives, clean your hands. Which organization is all set to start a campaign to protect senior citizens during COVID-19? None other than Niti Aayog. Headquarters New Delhi, India. Chairperson Narendra Modi. Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Kant. Who among the following has been reappointed as the chairperson of the Parliament's Public Accounts Committee, PAC? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Labour Bureau in the Ministry of Labour and Employment? None other than DPS Negi. Who has been chosen as the new Prime Minister by the Iraqi Parliament? Mustafa Al-Kadhimi. Iraq capital Baghdad. Currency Iraqi dinar. President Barham Saleh. World Athletic Day is observed annually on which date? That is none other than May 7th. The theme of the World Athletic Day 2020, Athletics for a Better World. IAAF headquarters Monaco. President Sebastian Coe. Who among the following has received the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India? None other than Saurabh Lodha. Department of Science and Technology, headquarters New Delhi. Secretary Ashutosh Sharma. Which institution has joined hands with Bharat Dynamics Limited with the development of affordable ventilators for COVID-19 treatment? Hope you remember, it is IIT Kanpur. Bharat Dynamics Corporate Office, Hyderabad, Telangana. Chairman and Managing Director Siddharth Mishra. Who among the following has addressed the Bamboo Conclave via video conference? Whom? Jitendra Singh. Hope you remember, right? The use of bamboo reserves and its role in strengthening the country's economy. Jitendra Singh. So, Minister of State for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State for Prime Minister's Office, Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space, Jitendra Singh. constituency, Udhampur, JK. International No Date Day is celebrated on May 6th. So it was first celebrated in which country, ma? UK. The biography of Captain Vijayant Tarpar, Vijayant at Kargil, the life of a Kargil hero, has been released by which publishing house? Penguin. Which publishing house, ma? Penguin. Ex-Union Minister Dalit Yail Malai, who passed away recently, belonged to which political party? AIA DMK. The central government has extended the one-time limit for filling annual GST returns for financial year 2018-19 till which date? It is 30th September. 30th September. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC, headquarters New Delhi, founded on 1st January 1964. Chairperson M. Ajit Kumar. The government of which state has launched an online portal scholarships.gov.in to provide scholarships to students in the financial year of college or universities. It is none other than Tripura. Tripura capital Agartala, Chief Minister Biplav Kumar Dev, Governor Ramesh Bayas. IIT alumni have launched a COVID-19 test bus in which city to carry out rapid testing in the dense urban areas. Which city, ma? Mumbai, right? Hope you remember. The Tamil Nadu state government employees retirement age has been increased from 58 to 1 year, that is 59. Tamil Nadu capital Chennai, Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, Governor Banwari Lal Purohit. Which bank has launched an emergency loan facility for farmers with a maximum loan of up to 50,000? That is Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. Headquarters Dharwad, Karnataka. Chairman Puttaganti Gopi Krishna. Sponsor bank Canara Bank. Which bank has opened an emergency credit line for MSMEs to enhance liquidity in the current coronavirus crisis? None other than Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank headquarters New Delhi. CEO SS Mallikarjuna Rao. Tagline: the name you can bank upon. The name you can bank upon. The Vesak date 2020 or Buddha Purnima, hope you remember, is observed globally on which date annually to commemorate the birth of Lord Buddha? May 7th. Name the e-commerce platform which has launched a QR based contactless payments. Contactless payments a solution for merchants as well as consumers. That is DOT. The World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day is observed every year on which date to commemorate the birth anniversary of the founder of Red Cross? That is May 8th. What is the theme of the World Thalassemia Day observed annually on 8th May? The dawning of new era for thalassemia. Time for a global effort to make novel therapies accessible and affordable to patients. Iran's currency rial is said to get a new name and will be renamed as Toman. Hope you remember, 10,000 rial equal to 1 Toman, along with being revalued. Iran's currency rial is said to get a new name and will be renamed as Toman. Hope you remember, that is also 10,000 rial equal to 1 Toman. Iran capital Tehran, President Hassan Rouhani. In which state has a unique vehicle Sanjeevani has been developed at the local level to investigate suspected patients without coming in contact with them? None other than Madhya Pradesh. Hope you remember. Capital Bhopal, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Lalji Tandon. Who has launched the Ayush Sanjeevani app and two interdisciplinary studies involving Ayush interventions for COVID-19? It is Dr. Harshavardhan. The tenure of Dia Mirza as UNEP Goodwill Ambassador has been extended till which year, 2022. So United Nations Environment Program, headquarters Nairobi, Kenya. Executive Director Inger Anderson. Which state or union territory has ranked on top in terms of internet penetration according to a study by the IAMAI? None other than Delhi. So Delhi has registered the highest internet penetration, while Kerala second according to the study by Internet and Mobile Association of India. According to the latest data by the CMIE, unemployed rates have soared to 27.11% amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. CMIE headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman S.A. Dev, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Mahesh Vyas. Name the mission launched by the central government to bring back stranded Indians from abroad due to the coronavirus lockdown. It's a Vande Bharat mission. Ministry of External Affairs, Union Minister Subramanyam Jaishankar, Constituency Gujarat Rajya Sabha, Minister of State V. Muralidharan. Which bank has cut its benchmark lending rate by 15 basis points and also introduced a special deposit scheme for senior citizens with a higher interest rate? None other than SBI. 137. IMF has approved $18 billion in emergency financing for how many countries? 50 countries during the coronavirus pandemic. International Monetary Fund IMF headquarters Washington DC, USA. Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva. Chief Economist Geeta Gopinath. ADB has approved $500 million for which country to bolster the efforts of the government to manage the impact of COVID-19? Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital Dhaka, currency Bangladeshi Taka, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Who among the following will head the 5-member jury for awarding a JCB Prize for Literature 2020? Leela Sampson. Which Indian cricketer has become the brand ambassador for EdTech company Elsa Corporation? Ajinkya Rahane. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari stated his ministry has set a target of constructing roads worth dash rupees in the next 2 years. That is 15 lakh crores. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry for Road Transport and Highways of India and Shipping, Ministry of MSME, Nitin Gadkari, Constituency Nagpur. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated 80-kilometer long road curtailing Kailash Manasarovar pilgrimage time to less than 6 days from before. Which of the following paths to pilgrims travel through Uttarakhand's Darchula on their way to Kailash Manasarovar? It is Lipu Lake. It is Lipu Lake. So Border Roads Organization BRO headquarters New Delhi, founder Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the AMP launched by Yogi Adityanath to help migrant citizens coming to Uttar Pradesh by providing them information related to government schemes and livelihood opportunities. That is Pravasi Rahat Mitra. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Governor Anandiben Patel. TRIFED has collaborated with which foundation to provide free ration kits to needy tribes India artisans? That is Art of Living. TRIFED, the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, came into existence in 1987. It is a national level apex organization functioning under the administrative control of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. Vista Equity Partners will invest 11,367 crores in Geo platforms for how much percent stake? 2.32% stake in the company. It is the third deal after Facebook and Silver Lake's share acquisition plans. So Reliance Corporate Office, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh D. Ambani. Vista founder and Chairman and CEO Robert E. Smith. Cardiologist and University Professor Dimitris Kremastinos, who passed away recently, held which position as a minister of the Greek government? It is Health Minister. China's new space capsule has launched safely to end its first uncrewed test flight. Name the rocket used by China to test the uncrewed test flight, hailed as an important step towards China's goal of building a space station. Long March 5B. That is Long March 5B. China capital Beijing, currency renminbi, President Xi Jinping. According to Japanese brokerage Nomura, the Indian economy may contract how much percent? 0.4% in financial year 21 on account of the coronavirus pandemic. Nomura headquarters Tokyo, Japan. Chairman Nobuyuki Koga, President and Group CEO Kentaro Okuda. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched which futures and options contract on BSE India INX and NSE IFSC at Gift City in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. It is INR USD, rupee, dollar. Ministry of Finance Cabinet Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of State for Finance Anurag Thakur, Finance Secretary and Revenue Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey. The World Bank has approved how many million? 400 million loan to help Afghanistan deal with the COVID-19 crisis and sustain the peace of economic reforms in the country. $400 million. World Bank headquarters Washington DC, US. President David Malpass, MD and CFO Anshula Kant. Afghanistan capital Kabul. Currency Afghani. President Ashraf Ghani. Which insurance company has launched the Arogya Sanjeevani health insurance policy? None other than SBI General Insurance, providing hospitalization cover anywhere in India with sums ranging from 1 to 5 lakhs. SBI General Insurance headquarters Mumbai, Managing Director and CEO Pushan Mahapatra, Deputy CEO PC Kanpal. Which institution has partnered with the ICMR for delivery of COVID-19 testing kits to 200 labs in the country? It is none other than India Post. India Post headquarters New Delhi. Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, Cabinet Minister for Communications. Secretary Pradeepta Kumar Bisoi. So Indian Council of Medical Research headquarters New Delhi. Secretary and Director General Dr. Balram Bhargava. The Ministry of Defence has inked a dash crores. How much ma? It is 1200 crores with Tata Power for modernizing 37 air bases belonging to the Air Force, Navy and Coast Guard. Ministry of Defence Union Minister Rajnath Singh, Constituency Lucknow UP. Ministry of State Subhash Bamre. Which company has tied up with Domino's and Zomato to deliver essential goods to the doorsteps of customers who need them? None other than Tata Consumer Products. Tata Consumer Products TCPL headquarters Kolkata, CEO Sunil A. D'Souza. Zomato headquarters Gurugram, Haryana. Founder and CEO Deepinder Goyal. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow.